Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real Talk English and Español.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. In today's episode, we're having a very simple, very real conversation.
Yes, we're talking about something everyone has an opinion about,
The weather.
and the seasons.
Chris loves summer.
And Sophia loves winter.
This episode is perfect if you're learning English and want to practice listening.
We will speak slowly,
We will repeat words.
and we will keep everything simple and clear,
So relax, get comfortable.
and enjoy the conversation.
Chris, let's start with you. You like summer.
Yes, I really like summer.
Why do you like summer?
I like summer because I like warm weather. I don't like being cold.
So you like heat.
Yes, I like heat. I like when the sun is out.
What does summer feel like for you?
Summer feels relaxing. The days are longer, the mornings are bright, the evenings are warm.
That sounds nice.
In summer, I like to wake up early. I like to drink coffee outside, and I like to wear light clothes.
Like clothes, like t-shirts?
Yes, t-shirts, shorts, sneakers. No jackets, no coats.
You don't like jackets?
No, I don't like heavy clothes. I like feeling free.
What do you do in summer?
I like to walk. I like to travel. I like to sit outside with friends.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. I like the sound of the ocean. I like the smell of the sea.
That's very descriptive.
Summer makes me feel happy. I feel more energy. I feel more positive.
So for you, summer is about comfort and energy.
Exactly. Okay, Sophia, you like winter.
Yes, I love winter.
Why do you like winter?
I like winter because it feels calm. Everything slows down.
Slows down.
Yes, people stay inside more. Life feels quieter.
That's interesting.
In winter, I like cold air. I like wearing warm clothes.
Like jackets.
Yes. Jackets, sweaters, scarves. I feel comfortable when I'm warm inside and it's cold outside.
That's the opposite of me.
I know. In winter, I like hot drinks, hot tea, hot chocolate.
I like those too.
I like staying home, reading, listening to music, watching movies.
Winter feels cozy for you.
Exactly. Cozy is the perfect word.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow. Snow makes everything quiet.
Summer is loud. Winter is quiet.
That's a good way to say it.
So summer and winter are very different.
Yes, but both are good.
In summer, I feel active.
In winter, I feel relaxed.
In summer, I go outside more.
In winter, I stay inside more.
In summer, I wake up early.
In winter, I sleep longer.
That sounds nice.
Winter gives me time to think.
Summer gives me motivation.
Do you ever enjoy winter?
Yes, sometimes. I like winter nights. I like warm lights and quiet streets.
And I enjoy summer evenings.
So maybe it's not summer or winter.
Maybe it's moments.
That's true.
Let's help the listeners practice.
Repeat after me. I like summer.
I like winter.
I like warm weather.
I like cold weather.
You don't need perfect English.
You need clear English.
You can talk about simple things,
Like the weather.
like the seasons.
So, summer or winter?
There's no wrong answer.
The important thing is speaking.
Yes, speak first.
Improve later.
Thank you for listening
If you enjoyed this episode, follow the podcast.
and practice English a little every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you so much for listening to Real Talk English and Español. We really appreciate you being here and learning with us. Remember, learning a language takes time, so be patient with yourself and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this episode, Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. We have many more conversations and practical lessons coming your way. See you next time. And keep speaking with confidence.